or what we have to perform. It means first they will give the one problem statement, and then one questions they will give, and then based on that they will give two or more statements whether to answer the given question. Whatever the statement they have given, that statements are sufficient or not, that we have to identify. Okay, let us say it is a part of, that is a data sufficiency is a part of logical reasoning. It must be noted that other reasoning concepts are used to form data sufficiency questions. So students must not just have a strong command over answering the questions from this section, but also have knowledge of the other reasoning topics. Okay, in that data sufficiency, if you are perfect with the all the quantitative aptitude chapters, then only it is possible to solve the questions related to the data sufficiency. They may ask the questions in the data sufficiency all the quantitative aptitude, like first one is the number series. They may ask the questions related to the number series. Second chapter is the problems on ages, problems on directions, blood relations, seating arrangement, coding, decoding, and syllogisms. Not some other chapters are also there. So many points will comes under data sufficiency. They may ask the questions related to any chapters. Okay, before going to the data sufficiency, if you are perfect with each chapters, then only it is easy to solve the questions related to the data sufficiency. How we have to solve it means data sufficiency covers many different topics of quantitative aptitude. Okay, these are the topics. Okay, in a data sufficiency, usually the question is followed by 2 or 3 statements. Okay, first they will give one question, then it can follows in below of that they will give 2 or more or 2 statements. What you have to do, you need to determine whether any of the statements individually or together required to find the answer. It means first they will give one statement, a problem, and then they will give the 2 or 3 statements. We have to find out whether those statements are sufficient to answer the given question or not. Okay, here you are not required to do the calculation. See, in this one of the main points or tips in this one is, here there is no need to calculate the final output. Just your work is you have to identify whether the given statements are sufficient or not. That only you have to identify. You just have to check whether with the help of given data you can find the answer or not. Okay, data sufficiency has many types of questions. Okay, here solving more and more, how you have to get confident on the data sufficiency problems. It means first you have to, what you have to do, it means solving more and more questions based on these topics is the key to have a better understanding of the concept, and also will help in finding the correct approach to answer questions from this topic. Some tips we have to use. What are the tips we have to? It means first one is, since the questions are lengthy, then if the given question is too lengthy, then what you have to do? The candidates must not panic and carefully read the entire question. At times, the different data sufficiency questions can also be solved verbally, especially for the quantitative aptitude questions. First one. Okay. Second point, do not look for the final answer. Okay. If not asked, you mostly have to only answer which condition will satisfy your requirement to meet the answer to the given question. Okay, and the third point they have given here, make sure that you do not make any assumptions. See, while answering the data sufficiency questions, don't make any assumptions. Okay, the information given is the only fact that need to be considered to answer the question. Okay, while going point by point, try solving the answers with the first condition given. Okay, keep adding on to the next condition. So if they have given 2 or more statements, then first you have to solve the first condition. Then if it is sufficient, it's okay. If it is not sufficient, then go to the second statement, and then same thing, third statement. And then if you are able to find out the correct answer after combining 1 or 2 or 1 or 3 or 1, 2, 3, that you have to identify. Okay, for fifth one they have given, Finally, no data sufficiency question asked for calculative answers. Okay, directly they will give the calculative questions. They may not ask in the data sufficiency. Mostly demands the condition to know which conditions will help you to reach the answer. So first, read before answering the questions. Okay. See what are the possibilities are there, how the questions are will be arrive, and then how you have to answer at each of the questions given below. It means consisting of statement and question and two statements numbered 1 and 2 given below. First they will give the question, then statements they will give below the questions. Then you have to decide whether the data provided in the statement, problem statement, are sufficient to answer the given question. Okay, read both the statements and then how we have to find out. First option, if the data in statement 1 are alone sufficient to answer the question, while the data in the statement 2 alone are not sufficient to answer the question. Second option you may get, if the data in the statement 2 are alone sufficient to answer the given question, while the data statement 2 is not sufficient to answer the question. The third option you may get, if both data either in statement 1 or in statement 2 are alone sufficient to answer the question. Okay, fourth one is, if the data even in both statement 1 and 2 together are not sufficient to answer the question. Last option, if the data in both the statement 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer the question. We have to combine. After combining only, it is possible to answer the given question. Okay, in the fifth option, based on these, each and every in the data sufficiency questions, you will get total 5 options. Out of 5 options, you have to select the appropriate options to the given question. Okay, now let us go to the problems one by one. In the data sufficiency, you may get the questions based on any chapters. If you want to solve the problems, it means you should be perfect with the quantitative. It means you can easily find out the answer for the given questions. First, you will solve the problems based on the numbers. Okay, first question is based on the numbers. Then you may get, I said initially, the data sufficiency questions you may get based on any chapters. Okay, I have taken here is based on the numbers. Okay, first problem statement is, what is the number? This is your problem statement. A statement question they have given, what is the number, and two statements they have given. This is a question and two statements. First statement is, the sum of the 2 digit is 8, the ratio of the 2 digit is 1:3. First statement they have given. Second statement is, the product of the 2 digit of a number is 12, the quotient of 2 digit is 3. Then what is your work is, it means first you have to solve this one, whether this only one statement, both the statements are required, that you have to identify. Okay, just can you calculate here what they have given in the first option? The sum of the 2 digit is 8. What is this? You can consider any 2 digit. You can consider 2 digits. Sum of the 2 digit they say, that is x plus y is equals to 8. And the ratio of the 2 digit they have given. Ratio, it means x is to y or x by y is equals to 1/3. Here x plus y is equals to 8, and the ratio of the 2 digit is x by y is equals to 1:3. Right? X by y is equals to 1/3. First question you have to solve, that is x plus y is equals to x by y, that is equals to 1/3. Just you can cross multiply both the equation, and then you will get the value of x and y. Okay, and then second statement, the product of the 2 digit of a number is 12. What is the product of 2 number is x into y is equals to 12. Okay, that's and the quotient of the 2 digit is 3. Quotient, it means x by y is equals to 3 they have given. x by y is equals to 3, it means x by y is equals to 3 by 1. Here is also just you can cross multiply these equations, you will get the values. Okay, what is your answer? Then after calculating your answer, everyone should have to calculate the answer and you have to send me the correct answer in chat box. Okay, here the sum based on the first statement, we can easily find out the number. What is the number we can find out? It means x value and y value we have to find out. Here is just simple question is there. That is x plus y is equals to 8 and x by y is equals to 1 by 3. Just you can cross multiply and then you will get the value of x and y in the first statement. Even in the second statement, directly they have given x into y is equals to 12 and is equals to, that is x by y equals to 1 by 3 by 1. Just cross multiply and then you have to find out the value of both x and y. For answer, so both statement 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer the question. How we have? Just you can see here they have given the option 1 alone sufficient while 2 alone are not sufficient. 2 alone are sufficient, 1 alone is not sufficient. Or 2 alone sufficient to answer, both 1 and 2 are not sufficient, both 1 and 2 are necessary to all. Here independently we can answer to the question. Here what is the number is there? Here independently we have to use by using only first statement we can give the answer for the given question, and then by using second one also we can give the answer to the question. So both either 1 or 2 are sufficient to answer the question. Now let us see the answer for this one. See, this is the answer for the above question. First question is the sum of the 2 digit is 8 and the ratio of 2 digit is 1:3 they have given. Here I said x plus y is equals to 8 and ratio they have given, ratio of 2 digit is 1:3. Therefore x by y is equals to 1/3. Just you have to cross multiply this one, then you have to 4x is equals to, just you can cross multiply 4x is equal to 24, therefore y is equals to 6. Then if you know the value of y, just you have to cross multiply this one, 3x is equals to y, and then like this you will get the, and then y, if you know the value of y, then you can put this y value in this equation, that is x plus 6 is in y value is equals to 8. So x is equals to 2. The same for statement number 2 also. What is the second number? The product of 2 digit is 12. Therefore x into y is equals to 12 and the ratio of 2 digit is 3 they have given. Therefore x by y is equals to 3, that is 3/1. Here also just cross multiply and then here you will get the value of x. This value we have to put here. X into y is equals to 12 they have given. 6x is equals to 12. Therefore 6y is equals to 12. Therefore y is equals to 12/6. So y is equals to 2. Here independently there is the first statement is not dependent on the second and second is not dependent on the first. So both, by using both options we have to, here which one is the correct answer here? Here 1 alone and 2 alone, either one, based on the either one or 2 are alone sufficient to answer the given question. This is your right answer. Either 1 or 2 alone sufficient to answer the given question. It means exactly we have find out the value of x separately and y, x and y value in the statement 1 by using the value of statement 1, and then by using the value of statement 2 values we have x and y, this equation as well as this equation. So your right answer is either 1 or 2 are alone sufficient to answer the given question. Okay, is it clear? Your answer is the third one. Now we can go to the next question. Okay, second question they have given, what digit number? Here question we have to find out what is the 2-digit number. This is a question. Statements they have given, 2 statements. First one is the difference between 2 digit is 9. First statement. And the second one is the sum of the digit is equal to the difference between the two digits. Okay, let us see here. First statement, the difference between two digits is 9. So here x minus y equals to 9. They have given difference between two digits. Two digit you can take x, y and m and anything. Here I am considering x minus y is equals to 9. That is first statement. For second statement, you can take the sum of the digit is equals to the difference between two digits. It means what? The sum of the two digits x plus y is equals to difference between two digits to x minus y. Here, based on the first statement, you know the difference between two digits x minus y is equals to 9. Second statement is x plus y is equals to x minus y. You know the x minus y value 9. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 9 you may, and then both are equal. You know this one value and then you can easily find out. Now let us see the answer. After seeing, then you can easily find out the answer for this one. See here, the answer for the question is, let us answer. We can consider for first statement x, difference between two digits is 9. You can take x minus y is equals to 9. This is the first statement. Second statement, they have given the difference between two digits is equals, sum of two digits is equals to difference between two digits. So here x plus y is equals to x minus y. This is the second statement. This is the first statement, and value of x minus y based on the first statement. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 9. If you know the value of x minus y, it means both are equal. They have given in the second statement. The sum of two digits is equals to difference of two digits. So you can solve first and second equation. You can easily get x minus y is equals to 9. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 9. So you know the value of x minus y 9. Here you can both are equal. X plus y is equals to x minus y. Here you can easily get by solving this one. X is equals to 9 and then y is equals to 0. Then what is your correct answer? Anyone? You know x minus y is equals to 9 based on the first statement. The second statement you know. Now you can easily find out the value of both the equations, or we can find out the conclusion, or we can come to the answer for this one. What is your answer here? See, you know that the difference between and then now we have find out the value of x and y. So what is your final answer? Here one alone is sufficient, or two alone is sufficient, either one or two alone are sufficient, or both are not sufficient, or both are sufficient. Here both are necessary to answer the question. Your answer should be E. That both one statement 1 and statement 2 are necessary to answer the given question, because you have used some part of the statement 1 in statement 2. Why? The difference between two digits is 9 is equals to the sum here, the difference and then some part of this one we have used here also. That is x plus y is equals to x minus y. Both combined togetherly we have to give the answer to the given question. So both statement 1 and 2 are necessary to answer the given question. Okay, is it clear? Okay, next we can go to the next question. Third question. Okay, the third question is that what is the two-digit number whose first digit is A and the second digit is B? The number is greater than 9. The number should be 9. Here statement, this question is two-digit number whose first digit is A and second digit is B. The number is greater than 9. Okay, first statement they have given the number is multiple of 51. Second statement, the sum of the digits A and B is 6. Okay, now we can find out the value of this one. See how we have to, it means the number is multiple of 51. They have given in the condition the number is greater than 9. And then we have to find out only two-digit number. If it is three-digit, we won't consider. What is that here? They have asked particular two-digit number. Okay, we have to find out. The first number they have given, first is multiple of 51. The number is multiple of 51. Just you can multiple of 51. It means you can multiply 51 with 1. 1 into 51 is 51. Okay, that is 2-digit number. And then consider 2 into 51. What is the output of this one? 2 into 51 is 102. Then 102 is a 3-digit. It is not possible to find out. Here 1 and itself is the answer. That is the number of multiple is 51 into 1 is the answer. Second they have given. The sum of the 2-digit is 6 they have given. It means x plus y is equals to 6. Both the statements are independent. If you are using the part of this one is in the second statement, then also it is not possible to answer the given question. So what you have to conclude in based on the statement. Okay, now for this one, then you can come to the answer. First you can see the solution for this one. Okay, see here the 2-digit number greater than 99 multiple of 51 should be 51 itself. So if 51 into 1 is 51, and then whenever I considering 51 into 2, it will be goes 3-digit. We have to find out only 2-digit. So first one is the okay, and 1 alone is sufficient. Okay, second statement what they have given, greater than 9, the sum of digit is 6. That greater than 9, the number you have to consider greater than 9. The after adding those numbers, the sum of those digits is 6. You can see here. It can be 1, 6, 1, 5. It 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. The sum after you have to consider two numbers and then you have to take. So we cannot determine the required answer from the statement 2. Okay, directly they have given A and B and then digit also sum they have given the 9 is not possible. So second is independent to the first answer, the first statement. So your answer should be, what is your answer? Correct answer or correct option in this one? There are total 5 options are there. First one is a 1 alone sufficient while second alone not sufficient. 2 alone sufficient while 1 alone not sufficient. Either 1 or 2, both 1 or 2 are not necessary. Both 1 and 2 are necessary. It means based on the first statement, we have to easily answer the given question. Your answer should be first one, that is 1 alone sufficient while 2 alone are not sufficient to answer the given question. Okay, your answer, right answer is 1 alone. Well, 1 alone, I mean first sufficient to answer the given question. Okay, now we can go to the next problem statement. Okay, problems based on the ages. Okay, like this, some other examples are also there based on the numbers. Now we can go to some examples on the age chapter. Okay, here also same thing. It means they will give the 1 questions and 2 or more statements. Based on the given statement, we have to answer to the given question. Here options are same. First 1 is sufficient, 1 alone is sufficient, 2 alone is sufficient, both 1 or 2 are required, both 1 or 2 are not required, then both are 1 is required, not second one is not required. The same options are there. Total 5 options are there. Based on that only you have to calculate the answer for the given question. So first problem statement is this one. What is Sonia's present age? This is what you have to find out. You have to find out the solution of this question based on the 2 statements. What are those 2 statements? First statement is Sonia's present age is 5 times Deepak's present age. First statement they have given. So second statement they have given 5 years ago her age was times Deepak's age at that time. Okay, here they have given 2 statements. How we have to find out? Okay, just can you find out the answer for this one, and then after finding the solution for this, just you can put the your correct answer in the chat box. I will. Here first you have to calculate first statement you have to solve, that is Sonia's present age is 5 times Deepak's present age. So yes, just you can consider S is a Sonia's age equals to 5 times Deepak's age. It means S is equals to 5D. You know the based on the first statement. Okay, based on the first statement, and then come to the second statement. 5 years ago, they have given ago. Ago it means minus you have to, and then hence it means after, it means you have to consider positive. Here 5 years ago her age was 25 times Deepak's age at that time. So 5 years it means s minus 5 is equals to 25 times, they say s minus 5 is equals to 25 into bracket 5 minus d, or d minus 5. That 5 years ago her age was s minus 5 is equals to 25 into bracket d minus 5. Then you can solve first and second question by using 1 and 2. Then you can easily find out the Sonia's present age. Now we can go to the solution of this one. Just you can see here, that is first is Sonia's present age is 5 times Deepak's age. So here based on this one, d is equals to s by 5. First statement. Second statement they have given, so 5 years hence they have given s minus 5 is equals to 25 into d minus 5. Here we have to solve this one, and then here just you have to put the value of d. What is the value of d? Here d is equals to s minus 5. It means you have to convert d in terms of s, because we have to find out. Okay, and then here in this equation s equals to 25 into d minus 120, and then here 25 into s by 5. We have converted it 5 into 25 out to and minus 125. So h is equals to 30. Here just you can consider whether both the equations, after using both the statement, we have find out the value of the given question. So in this one, both the statement are togetherly can give the right answer to the given question. Is it clear? Here one is not, one alone is not sufficient, two alone is not sufficient. After combining both the equations or both the statements, we have to find out the value of given question. So Sonia's present age is 30, but here we don't know, there is no need to find out the value of this s and all. Only whether we have to answer based on the first statement or second statement, by using both the statement we have to give the answer, not that we have to find out. So what is your right answer in this one? See, some of the student, that is Jitendra Pimple, ENTC B division, he has given the right answer, that is E option is correct, because both 1 and 2 are necessary to answer the given question. Okay, 1 because in this one only they have given the age, and 2 alone is also not sufficient. 1 alone, 2 alone is either 1 or 2 is also, both 1 and 2 are not sufficient. But by using both the equations, we have to find out easily the answer for the given question. So your right answer, Jitendra have given the right answer, that is E is the, both 1 and 2 are necessary to answer the given question. Okay, now we can go to the next question. Okay, next statement is average age of employees working in a department is 30 years. Average age of employees working in a department is 30 years. In the next year, 10 workers will retire. What will be the average age in the next year? What we have to find out? Just we have to find out what will be the average age in the next year. What they have given in the statement, this statement value as well as, sorry, question values, problem statement values, as well as these statement values also we have to use. Okay, here average age they have given working in a department is 30 years. In the next year, 10 employees will be retired. Okay, what will be the average age in the next year? First option is, that is first statement they have given, retirement age is 60 years. Okay, second option they have given, there are 50 employees in the department. Can you find out the value of the solution of this one? It's a very simple question is there. Just you have to use this one, and then by using this whether it is possible to find out the value of this question or not. Retirement age they have given here, and then there are 50 employees in the department. Then you can use this, and then already they have given the average employee working in a department is 30 years. Now can you calculate? You can see the solution for this one. Retirement age is 60 years they have given in the first statement. Second one is there are 50 employees in the department. Average age they have given 50 employees. 50 employees average age is 30. So the total age of employees, 50 employees is equals to 50 into 30. So here 50 employees, 30 years they have given, 50 into 30 is 1,500. And the number of employees in the next year. So number of employees, you know, total 50 are there. And then next year they will get retired. 10 people will get retired. In the statement only they have given. So 50 minus 10 is 40. The total age of 40 employees next year is this one. The total age of employees 1,500 plus 40. This one number of employees into 60 into 10. So now you can find out that is 940. Then directly you have to find out by using the average formula. Next year is equal to 940 by 40. Then 23 into 1. Here it is possible. See, there is no need to calculate this answer. See, this one there is no need to calculate. What is your role? What you have to find out in this one? If you are starting, started calculating the final value, it means again you will waste the time. Here just you have to conclude whether 1 is sufficient or 2 is sufficient or both are required. Using both the equation, we have find out the value. So what is your right answer? Here total 5 options they have given. What is your right answer? 1 alone is sufficient while 2 is not sufficient. 2 alone is sufficient while 1 alone is not sufficient. Either 1 or 2 alone sufficient to answer. Both 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer. And both 1 and 2 are necessary to answer. What is your answer? Last one is the right answer. Fifth one, that is E option. Both 1 and 2 are necessary to answer the given question. Okay, because we have used both a statement to answer the given question. We'll go to the next question. Okay, here see the next question they have given. Divya is as old as Shruti. What is the difference in their ages? Now what is our question? Difference age we have to find out. Okay, first statement they have given 5 years hence the ratio of their ages would be 9:5. Second statement they have given 10 years back the ratio of their ages was 3:1. Okay, here they have given. How we have to find out? First, we know that Divya is twice old as a Shruti. D is equals to 2 into D. Okay, this based on this one. 5 years hence. 5 years hence they have given. Okay, the ratio of their ages would be 9:5. That is D plus 5 divided by S plus 5 is equals to 9/5. Okay, the ratio they have given. And the 10 years back, again you have 10 years minus you have to. The ratio of their ages was 3:1. Now here you can easily answer for the given question based on the first statement or second statement. Here they have given 5 years hence the ratio of their ages was 9:5, and then here they have given D is equals to 2S. Then here D minus 5 divided by S minus 5 is equals to 9/5. Just you can cross multiply, then you will get the value of the difference of their ages. And then here is also 10 years. 10 years back, the ratio of their ages was 3:1. Just you have to say, you can see the answer for this one. Only you may answer the questions. Okay, Divya's present age, D is equals to 2S. Okay, and they have given 5 years hence, D plus 5 divided by S plus 5 is equals to 9/5. Just cross multiply, then you will get the value of both differences. And here second statement, 10 years back, D minus 5 by S minus 5 is equals to 3/1. Then by using this both we can get the answer for the questions. So what is your right answer? Here 1 is alone, 2 is alone, either 1 or 2, both 1 and 2, both 1 and 2, nothing. It means either one statement or two a second statement alone sufficient to answer the given question. Okay, based on the first statement we can answer the given question, and then based on the second also we have to give the answer. Just here, just we have to find out the difference between their ages. So your right answer, they have given Samruddhi More. She has given the right answer, that is third one, that is either one or two alone sufficient to answer the given question. Third is the right answer. Samruddhi have given the right answer. Okay, good. Next we can go to the next problem statement. Okay. In this one, the each of the questions given below consisting of a question followed by three statements. Till now we have discussed one questions, two statements. Here was slight difference is there. Here they have given three statements. It means how you have to same options, whether one only first statement is sufficient, second statement is sufficient, or third statement is sufficient, or 1 and 2 are sufficient, 1 or 3, and 2 and 3, and 1 and 2. That you have to find out. See, what is the question? What is Arun's present age? Here, 5 years ago, Arun's age was double that of his son's age at that time. First statement. Second, they have given the present age of Arun and his son are in the ratio 11:6 respectively. Third question, 5 years statement. 5 years hence, the respective ratio of Arun's age and his son's age will become 12:1. Now you can easily find out the answer. 5 years ago, just it means minus. The Arun's age was double that of his son. That is, if you are considering x, it means x minus 5, 2 into minus 5 we have 2. Now present age they have given the ratio x 11:6, and then here also, here in this they have given both combined together. Hence, the respective ratio of Arun's age and his son's age will become 12:1, 12:7. So now you can calculate. Even first one is a necessary. 1 and 2 you may answer the based on the first and second, or third also you may answer the any of the two. It means here based on first and third, second and third, or first and third. Just you can calculate. Now you can see the solution for this one. First statement, you know, the second statement what they have given, the present ages are already they have given in the statement. It means 11x and 6 years respectively. The second statement, 5 years ago, 2 years ago, Arun's age is twice his son's age. It means 2 into his son's age. Third statement, 5 years hence, Arun's age, here just you can take Arun's age by son's age equals to, they have given 12:7. Next you have to put the value of this one. Just you can easily find out the value. Here either you may use these two or first and second or third answer. Here your right answer, what is your right answer based on the three statement? Any two of the three. Any two. You may use 1 and 3 or 2 and 3 or 2 and first and 3 also. Any two statement is sufficient to answer the given question. Okay, your right answer is any two of the given three statements are sufficient to answer the given question. Okay. Okay, now we can you put the answer for this one? Here the what is the Ravi's present age? The statement they have given, the present age of Ravi is half that of his father. After 5 years, the ratio of Ravi age to that of his father's age will be 6:1. The Ravi is 5 years younger than his brother. Can you find out the value of this one? Yes, anyone can calculate the answer for this and then put in the chat box. Let's see the solution. Here they have given based on the first statement. Let's Ravi's present age be x, you can consider. Then his father age present age is 2x. Half of that they have given. After 5 years, Ravi's age by father's age equals to, they have given the ratio 6 by 10. The Ravi is younger than his brother. Then 192, then you can get the x value. Here, the right option is first one. That is 1 alone is sufficient to answer the given question. One and two alone are sufficient to first and second is alone to answer the given question. Okay, here first option 1 and 2 alone or 1 and 2 are only two sufficient to answer the given question. Okay. Interesting points. Next, problems based on the directions. Then based on this one, we will discuss 2 to 3 points problems. Then we can go to the next topic. Now here, what is the answer? In the direction also same thing. They have given the question. A is in which directions with respect to D? Here we have to find out the direction. These are the problems based on the directions. Statement they have given. C is in 2 meters. C is 2 meters to the north of D. E is to the east of C. A is 2 meters to the south of E. Second statement. D is the southwest of E. C is to the east of H. Now we have to, our target is to find out the direction from D to A. Now, can you find out the answer for this one? Whether one statement is sufficient, both are required, one alone or two alone, both are not necessary. See, the answer is, first they have given C is 2 meters to the north of D. So C is, this point C is 2 meters to the north of D is 2. What is that? C is 2 meters to the north of D. C is 2 meters to the north of D. Okay. Next point, E is east of C. So E is east of C. Okay. A is 2 meters to the south of E. A. From here they have given A is 2 meters to the south of E. From E to A is 2 meters south. In this south direction they have given. Okay. Statement number 1. And then whether it is possible to find out the value of the first one based on the given statement. See, what is our statement? A is in which direction with respect to D? We have to easily find out A and D. Here D is there, here A is there. Then we have to easily find out the direction from D to A direct. Okay, one is okay. Second statement, you can go to the second statement. D is to the southwest of E. D is southwest of E. C is to the east of H. C, where we have to fix the C? In this one they have not given anything about C in this second statement. So second is not possible. One alone is sufficient to answer the given question. So in this one, if the data in the statement 1 alone are sufficient to answer the question, while the data in the statement 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. Okay. Second statement, just can you find out the solution for this one? Question is there. E is in which direction with respect to D? Okay. We have to find out the direction from D to E. First one they have given A is to the east of B, who is to the south of C, D is to the southwest of C, and E is to the east of C. And second one they have given, A is to the east of B, who is to the north of C, D is to the west of C, and E is to the north of A. So let's draw the diagram. For first one, A is to the east of B. So A is to the east of B. Okay, who is north of C? Who is who is north of C? Okay, D is to the west of C. D is to the west of C. Okay, and E is to the north of A. E is to the sorry this one. E is to the east of C. That is E is to the east of C. So and then based on the first statement, you can easily find out the answer, that is D to E. Here in the question, E is in the which direction with respect to D. We have to find out. One is based on the first statement, you can easily find out the solution. Second, they have given A is to the east of B. Here A is to the east of B. Who is to the north of C? Who is to the north of C? Okay. D is to the west of C. D is to the west of C. Okay. And E is to the north of A. And E is to the north of A, they have given. Then based on this one, from D to E, we have to find out. Here the right answer is, if the data either in the statement 1 are alone or in the statement 2 are alone to answer the given question. Based on the first statement, we have to answer, and based on the second statement also, we have to answer the given question. Okay. Just you can see here in this one also they have given the same pattern problems. Go through it, and then here also same pattern. Both if the data either in statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the given question. Means based on the first statement and second statement, we have to find out the value in which direction point B from point G. Just we have to find out the value of directions of from G to B. So based on the first statement, we have to draw the diagram in this one, and then based on second statement also we have to draw. Then we have to easily find out the values direction from G to B based on the first statement as well as second statement. So the right answer is that both by using statement 1 alone can give the right answer, or 2 alone can give the right answer to the given question. Okay, next we can go to the next chapter. Okay, here the data sufficiency. Let's see, till now we have discussed some problems on the ages, numbers, directions, and based on the, it is not limited to these chapters, even it is limited to some other chapters are also, like blood relations. Already you have, I think in the last week only blood relation chapter is happened, you have studied, and some other chapters are also studied in the related to the quantitative. And then the data sufficiency problems may comes based on any chapters. Okay, next we can go to the logical connectives. What is logical connectives? Where you have to use the logical connectives in the logical reasoning. So what is mean by logical connectives? Let's see in the detail about that. Logical connectives are basically words or symbols which are used to form a complex sentence from two simple sentences by connecting them. What they have given? Words or symbols which are used to form a complex sentence from two simple sentences. It means just we have to combine two simple statements to form a complex sentence by connecting them. Okay, some logical connectives are here. They have given some logical connectives. How we have to if and only if like this, how it can give some to. Here they have given in the definition of logical connectives only, they have given two simple statements are used to make some complex statement by using this logical connectives. These are the logical connectives. Here this connective can combine two simple statements. After combining, that statement should be in the form of complex. How it is? See, there are there are so many logical connectives are there. Here I have taken only 5. That are, first one is a, second one is only if, third one is when, fourth one is a whenever, fifth one is unless. Okay. By using these logical connectives, we have to combine two simple statements to make one complex sentence. How it is? Let us see one by one in detail. Questions based on statements formed using logical connectives are simpler than other questions of exam. So it will be beneficial to take comments on this topic. So see, these types of sentences consisting of two parts. One is a cause and one is effect. Okay, first statement may contain cause, statement may contain cause. We have to combine. Okay, usually cause is present after the connectives. Okay, let us see some example. Example here, if you are in a navy, to wear uniform. The simple statement here is also two statements are there. If you are in a navy, one statement, you have to wear uniform. What is the cause and effect in this one? We have to find out. Okay, cause is you are in navy. Why we have to wear the uniform? Because you are there in navy. Cause is you are in navy. Effect is you have to wear uniform. Okay, same thing. Second statement. Example: if I am bored, I go for a movie. See here, cause is bored, effect is go for a movie. Okay, in this one, and then examples of that logical connectives in detail you can see here. First logical connectives is these statements are in the form of if P then Q, or if Q if P. Logical connectives, first if we have to use in the statement. Okay, example they have given: if it rains then ground gets wet. First statement example is if it rains then ground gets wet. Second statement example: Raman will pass if he works hard. In this one we have to find out the cause and effect. Okay, cause and effect relation. In these statements, cause is a sufficient condition for effect to happen, but not necessary condition. Let us see the discussion 1 and 2. Here we have to find out. Here, if it rains, then ground get wet. It means in this statement, first we will definitely the cause. First we have to identify the cause and effect. It rain is cause. It rain is cause and ground gets wet is effect. Then the second statement also to find out, like it rains cause and then ground get wet is the effect. The second logical connectives, these statements are in the form of only if P then Q, or Q only if P. These type of connectives are very important from exam point of view. Like these questions you may get. So example they have given: I will meet you only if I come to Delhi. Here some logical words we have to. Here only if I. Okay, I will meet you only if I come to Delhi. Second, only if Rohit runs fast, he will catch the train. Okay, here also we have to find out the cause and effect. Come to Delhi is the cause, meet you effect. Runs fast, cause, and then catch the train effect. Cause and effect relation how we have. Okay, logical connectives. Here just you can see these type of sentences are union of sentences having connectives. You find only if these are the simplest in all connectives. It is like necessary and sufficient condition, which means cause is a necessary and sufficient condition for effect to take place. How it can? Just you can see the examples. You find only if he clears the pre-exam, he will get selected. Second example, Rahul will eat the fruit if and only if it is an apple. Whole number is even if and only if it is square is even. Okay, here in this one also just you have to find out the cause and the effect. Okay, this statement cause is necessary and the sufficient condition for effect to the happen. Okay, just in this one also just you have to, it means how by using that logical connective words how we have to form the sentence, that you have to remember, that is the main point. Okay, fourth one they have given logical connectives unless. These statements are in the form of unless P and Q or Q unless P. These type of connectives do not have that much importance for exam, but it is better to understand the concept. It is a negative type of connectives which gives negative sense in the statement. In these statements, there is no proper cause and effect. Only two statements are there in these type of statements. Unless, like how it is example, unless I am mistaken, John's house is the second on the left. Unless Virat is the captain, India will lose the match. Unless what we have to answer, unless Virat is the captain, India will lose the match. Question 2, here unless is a Virat captain and India will lose the match. In this one also we have to find out this cause and effect, that is majority times we won't use in this one. Okay, these are the different logical connectives, and based on that we will get the examples based on these types of logical connectives. Okay, now we can go to the one more topic, that is syllogism. Okay, syllogism is the next third topic. Okay. Okay, just a minute, I will. Okay, just a minute, I will share the one more PDF. Okay, now we can go to the second topic, that is syllogism. Okay, how we have to use that. Just a minute, I will share the screen. Okay, see the first topic, that is already we have discussed about the data sufficiency and logical connectives. Why we have discussed next? Because some part of data sufficiency we have to use in the syllogism concept. So we have discussed first data sufficiency as well as the logical connectives. Now let us study about the last topic, that is syllogism. Okay. First we will discuss about the theoretical things. Next we can go to the sufficient problems based on the syllogism. Okay. Now let us see the definition of syllogism. Here syllogism is a form of logical reasoning that joins two or more premises to arrive at a conclusion. Here joins, we have to joins two or more premises to arrive at a conclusion. Here example they have given, all birds lay eggs, a swan is a bird. These two are the statements. We have to join these, then we have to, these two are the premises, we have to join and then we have come to the conclusion, how it can. Okay, let's see here. Therefore, the swan lays eggs. Syllogism contains a major premises and a minor premise. The conclusion, that is more general statement and more specific statement In the example, the major premises is that all birds lays the major premises, but the minor premises is that swan is a bird. The conclusion links these two propositions to conclude that if a swan is a bird, it must lay eggs. Syllogistic arguments are generally presented in this three-line format. Okay, syllogism is the integral part of all the aptitude question papers. It falls under the category of logical reasoning. So here they have given three statements that are no A or B. All C are A, therefore no C or B. Examples: no dogs or cats. All eagles are dogs, therefore no eagles plus are cats. And same next point: all A are B. Some C are A, therefore some C are B. Examples they have given this one. And then some A are B, all A are C, therefore some C are B. Example in this one. Okay, men eat meat. All men are humans, therefore some humans eat meat. Okay, if there are two statements, then syllogism will be the best way to solve the problems. If number of statements are more than two, then we go for Venn diagram method. Sometimes statements and conclusions are derived from the general accepted facts, but they can also non-logical. How it is? Some chairs are doors, all mans are women, no milk is white. How we have to represent by using Venn diagram this given statements. Okay, how we have to it means, see in this one. Here, especially we have to use three main syllogisms. First, how we have to represent the Venn diagram to solve the syllogism concept or problems. All A or B. How we have to represent if the given statement contains all A or B. How we have to represent it means, see, all A or B. A is there inside B. All A or B. But if they are asking all B are A, no. Because only all A are B, then we have to represent A is there inside the B. Okay. And next, if it is reverse, some A are B or some A are not B. How we have to represent like this statement? It means some A are B. Some part, this is the collided part, can indicate that some. Okay, some A part is there in B side, some B part is there in A side. This is the part, this part we can call it some part of both A and B. Okay, some A are B, some A are B, and some A are not B. In this one, it is not. Okay, and then no A is B. How we have to represent? No A is B. Here, no A is B, it means A is independent to B. Both the circles are independent to each other. By using these three concepts, we have to easily solve the syllogisms. Okay. Now let us go to the problems. How we have to. In this one also, each of the following questions, two statements are given, and these statements are followed by two conclusions, number 1 and 2. Okay, we have to take the given two statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance from the commonly known facts. First, read the conclusions and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follows from the two given statements. Regarding commonly known facts, how we have to, it means here how the options you may get, it means here. First, they will give the one question and then two conclusions or two or more statements and two or more conclusions also. Initially, we will consider two statements and two conclusions. Then based on that, we have to identify the solution for the given question as like data sufficiency. Okay, this is a part of the data sufficiency. Even you may get the questions related to the syllogisms in the data sufficiency also. Okay, if only first statement is sufficient to answer the question. Only second is sufficient to answer the question. Either one or two conclusion is sufficient to answer the given statement. If either one or two follows, both one or two, both one and two follows to give the answer to the given question. Okay, now let us see the problems. First problem statement is statements here. The syllogisms questions can contain statements and conclusions and options. A statement, what is a statement? Here two statements they have given. All cats are, all cars are cats. Second statement, all fans are cats. Just now we have studied all A are B, some A are B, no A is B. So based on that only, you have to draw the Venn diagram for this given statement and then find out the solution for this one by using this conclusion. How you have to, can you see, can you solve the problems and this one, because in this it's a very easy, because if you know that these three statement part of that is first one is all A are B, some A are B and no A is B. Then if you know that, then you can easily answer the questions. Okay, here statement, based on the statements you have to draw the solution. How we have to draw the solution? It means in the statement, see, I will share one more I will share the entire screen. I will share the entire screen, then you can okay, now I have opened that one journal. Then in this one we can easily solve that syllogisms part. First one or two we can solve, and then remaining you have to continue. Okay, whether this one is audible, visible, that is whatever I am saying, the one notepad. Anyone can reply? Yes, Nahida. Okay, okay. See, what they have given in the problem statement. First problem statement is all cars are cats. First, all, this is a circle. In this one, all cars are cats. Here just you can consider this is car. This is car. All cars are cats. Here they have given. Okay, all, first statement is, that is all cars are cats. Second statement what they have given, all fans are cats. All fans are cats. Here in the cat part, all fans. Okay, here you know that here first statement is all cars are cats, and second one is all fans are cars. Is there even no, just a minute. Here inside this one you have to car part. Here you have to take fans. Okay, all fans. First, all cars are cats and all fans are cats. All fans, because all, whenever the term you can use all, it will comes inside this one. Cats, it will comes inside the cat. And all cars are cats, but not all cats are cars. Cars will comes under the cats, but not cat not comes under the cars. So here all fans are cats. Cats comes under the fans. So based on this one statement, what statement they have given? First statement. What is the first statement? Here all cars are fans. All cars are fans. No, because cars is not there in inside the fan circle. If it is there inside the circle, then the statement is true. Then if it is first statement they have given all cars are fans. No, all cars are not fans. Okay, and then second statement, what they have given in the second statement? Some fans are cars. Some fans are cars. Yes, some fans are cars. It is some part of this one is overlapped or collided. So this one second statement we have to find out. Okay, in the to answer the given, what is our answer? Whether the statement 1 or 2 are sufficient to answer, or only second statement is sufficient to answer, or second. See in this one. In this one, all cars are cats, all fans are cats. What they have given? All cars are fans. Second one they have given some fans are cars. So in this one, what is the right answer? Whether only one statement is sufficient, two statement is sufficient, or either one or two, or neither one or two. Because here both the statements are different. Some fans are cars, it is not related. So all cars are fans, this is also not related. By using both the statement, it is not possible to answer. Your right answer is neither one nor two follows to answer the given questions. Okay. Next, you can go to the next problem statement. See, you can see here the answer, the solution for the first one is here. What is the problem statement they have given? First one is all cars. This is a car part. The second circle is a cats, and this is a fans. All cars are cats. This is a car. All cars are cats, and all fans are cats. Fan is there inside the cat, but not inside the car. Our question is this one is okay, and then based on the statement, conclusion is all cars are fans. All cars. This is a car part. This is a fan part. All cars are fans. No, it is not possible. It is, if it is not there inside, then it is not possible. First one is a no. And second one, all fans are cats. All fans are cats. Cat is this one. Fan is this one. All fans are cats. They have given. No, this is also not possible. So neither one or not two is the alone sufficient to answer the given question. Next, you can see the second problem statement. Statement they have given: all engineers are fools. All fools are doctors. All doctors are poor. Conclusion they have given: some poor are fools. Some poor are engineers. Now you can draw the Venn diagram for this one. So here, just you can once again we'll draw Venn diagram for this one. Okay. What is the right answer? First statement. First, based on the given statement, you have to draw the diagram. First statement: all engineers are fools. First, just you can TENG. All engineers are fools. F double. Okay. First statement is all engineers are fools. Second statement: all fools are doctors. They're inside the doctors. T, doctors. And for third statement, all doctors are poor. All doctors are there inside the poor. Okay. And then in this one, what conclusion they have given? In the conclusion part, see here in the conclusion part what they have given. Some poors, just a minute. See, some poors are fools. Here engineer is there, fools is there, doctor is there, poor is there. So how we have to answer? Some poor are fools. So okay, some poor. This is a poor part. The circle. Some poor are fools. See, some poors are fools. Exactly right, because all pools are poors, but some pools, it is, we are going in the reverse direction. It is not inside the pool. Okay, here some pools are fools. It means poor is not inside the fools. So some pools are fools. First one is the right answer. Some pools are fools. Some these pools are fools. Second one they have given, some pools are engineers. Some fools and some poor. This is a poor part. Is some poors are engineers. Yes, this is also right answer. Some fools. This one. Some fools are engineers and some fools also. Sorry, some poors are fools. Some poors are engineers, because we are giving in the reverse direction. We are going inside. All are inside this one. It means all it will comes. But if you are coming in the reverse direction, some of that it is there in that inside the circle. So give a right answer for this conclusion. Three statements are there. Here two conclusion they have given. Based on this one, your right answer is both the statement are valid to give the right answer to the given question. Okay, these are the three statements are there. Here they have given the two conclusion. Some poor are fools and some poor are engineers. So only one is valid, only two is valid, wrong answer. So both the statements are valid to give the right answer to the given question. Okay, the same thing, solution for this one. Just you can go to the next problem statement. Here, just you can see problem statement. Statement number one they have given, all buildings are chalks, no chalk is toffee. Okay, conclusion, no building is toffee, all chalks are building. Just you can draw the Venn diagram for answer the question. Now let us see. Okay, the statement, what the statement they have given, all buildings are chalks. See, first this is a building part. All buildings are chalks. Right? No chalk is toffee. There is no link between toffee and chalk. So here you have to draw the toffee. There is no link between toffee and chalk. Here there is no link. So these statements, they are buildings are chalks, and no chalks are toffee. There is no link between this one, as like no A or B, or no A is B. So now you can answer the given to the given conclusion. The conclusion is no building is toffee. It means just you can see no building is toffee. Building part is there here, and then toffee part is there here. No building, directly in the conclusion only they have given, there is no link, no building is toffee. First statement, statement number one is right. Okay, the second statement, all chalks are buildings. All chalks are building. No, because all buildings are chalks, but not all chalks are buildings. If you are going in this direction, it is right. But if you are coming in the reverse direction, it should be all, not some. If you are going in this direction, that is all. If you are coming in the back direction, some. In the second, what their conclusion they have given, all chalks are building. Chalks are building. No, because all buildings are chalks, but it is not in the format. Okay, no chalk is or some chalk is buildings, but here in the statement they have given all chalks are building. So statement number 2 is not sufficient to answer the given question. So your right answer is only first statement is valid to answer the given question. Okay, only statement 1 is alone sufficient to answer the given question. Here they have given only one is one conclusion sufficient, two conclusions sufficient, and then either one or two, neither one or two. Here our right answer is only first statement is applicable or valid to give the right answer to the given question. Now we can go to the next problem statement. This is one solution for that. Okay. Now can you solve this statements and can you send me the answer in the chat box? I will wait for 1 minute. Just I will take 1 minute. I will give 1 minute and then just you can solve that question and send me the answer in the chat box. Here, what is the problem statement? All the trucks are flies, some scooters are flies. And conclusion they have given all the trucks are scooters, some trucks are some scooters are trucks. First you have to draw the Venn diagram based on this one, then you have to find out the answer for these conclusions. So what is your question? All the trucks are flies. All the trucks are flies. Okay. Second statement, some scooters are flies. Some scooters, not all. Some scooters, some part of scooters part, some part of the scooter is collided with the flies. Okay. And then first statement, second statement. Now the conclusion they have given, all the trucks are scooters. This is a truck part, flies. What they have given, all the trucks are scooters. Truck is there here, scooter is there. First one is all the trucks are scooters. No, it is not possible. So second one they have given, what is the second one? Some scooters are trucks. Some scooters are trucks. Scooter is there here, truck is there here. Yes, some some scooter is not related or not touched with this because it is there inside the, yes, some part of this one is, see what is the second conclusion, some scooters are trucks, some scooters are trucks. No, the second is also not possible. You see what they have given, all trucks are scooters, truck part is there here and scooter part is there here, it is not related, so first statement is wrong. Second statement, some scooters are trucks, some scooters are trucks, then it is also not possible because some scooters are flies. Okay, but some scooters are trucks, it is not possible to, here neither one nor two is alone sufficient to answer the given question. Here they have given the conclusion, then these are the statements. Based on these conclusions, it is not possible to answer the given question. So neither one nor two are alone sufficient to answer the given question. Okay, it's a diagram. Solution. Now can go to the next problem statement. Now can you try example? This example is, some dogs are bats, some bats are cats. Statements. Conclusion, some dogs are cats, some cats are dogs. Now can you draw the Venn diagram and then tell me the solution for this one? Anyone? See, statement number 1, some dogs are bats. This is the dog part. Some dogs are bats. Some part only. This a part of this one is overlapped. Some dogs are bats, and second statement, some bats are cats. Okay. Now we have drawn the Venn diagram based on the statement. Some dogs are bats, and second statement, some bats are cats. Now we can go to the conclusion. Okay, first conclusion, some dogs are cats. Dog part is there here, cat part is here. Now, what they have given? Some dogs are cats. Whether it is applicable or not. Some cats are dogs. No, again it is there here, cat part is here. No, it is not possible to answer the given question. Second one, some cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs. Entirely opposite of that they have given. No, this is also not possible. So, what is the conclusion? Some dogs are cats. Some dogs are cats. No, dog is there here, cat is there here. No, it is not wrong. And second one, some cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs. Again, it is also wrong. So, both the neither one or two statement are alone sufficient to answer the given question. By using both the conclusion, it is not possible to answer the given question. Both are wrong only. Means your right answer is neither one nor two follows the answer. Next one, this is the solution for that. Okay. Next, you can take the next solution. Here, all the pens are pencils and all the pens are inks. Statement, conclusion they have given. All the pencils are inks, some inks are pencils. First you can draw the Venn diagram, then you can come to the conclusion. We have to draw the Venn diagram based on the given statements. Okay. Here, all the pens are pencils. First, pencils. Okay, all the pencils are pen. Okay. All the pencils are pens. Second one, all the pens are inks. So, all the ink. Now, all the pencils are pens, all the pens are pencils, or all the pencils are pens, and all the pens are inks. Now, you have drawn the diagram. Now, you can come to the conclusion 1 and 2. Now, what is your conclusion? First conclusion is all the pencils are inks. All the pencils are inks. Pencil is there inside the ink. Or right, first one is a right. All the pencils are ink. All the pencils are there inks. Okay, pencil is there inside the ink. First question is right. Conclusion, all the pencils are ink. Okay. Second one, some inks are pencils. Some inks are pencils. Of course, 100%. If you are going, all pencils are inks, all pens are ink. If you are coming in the reverse direction, some we have to consider. Some part of that. Okay, here second conclusion they have given. Some inks are pencils. Some inks are pencils. Some inks are pencils. Right. So here both the conclusions are right. Based on your right answer is first one is alone, second is two, either one, neither one. Both 192 conclusions are sufficient to answer the given question. Okay, here both 1 and statement are true, so both are sufficient to answer the given question. Now this one is just, you can see, all pencils are pens, all pens are inks. Based on this one, we have to answer the given question. Okay, now we can go to the next problem statement. Same statements are there. We'll here first two statements and two conclusions. We'll solve 5 to 6 problems, and then two statements and three conclusions, and three conclusions, three statements. Then we can go to the next part, and then first we'll discuss some other examples based on two statements and two conclusions. Later we can go to that. Okay, here again they have given. Okay, statement 1, some cows are crows and some crows are elephant. Just you can draw the Venn diagram. Some cows are crows. Here a cow part, some crows are cow, and then crow. Okay, and second statement they have given, some crows are elephant. Some crows are elephant. Okay, some crows are elephant. Now come to the conclusion. Some cows are elephant. All cows are elephant. First statement, some cows are elephant. Cows are elephant. Elephant is there here and cow is there here. Some cows are elephant. Because some part of this one is not related to this. If it is here inside, then we have to go to the reverse in this direction or upper direction. But here both are independent, so it is not possible to consider. Here first statement, some cows are elephant. Cow is there here, elephant is there here. Okay, some cows are elephant, and all crows are elephant. All crows are elephant. Second statement they have given. Second statement they have given. Now what is second statement? All cows are all crows are elephant. Crows part is there in this here, and the elephant is there here. But here what they have given, all crows are elephants. No, because some crows are elephant or some elephants are crows, but all is no. Both the conclusions are wrong. So what is your right answer? Neither one nor two follows to answer the right question. Right answer to the given question. Okay. Yes, as you can see here, crows, cows, and elephant. Next statement they have given. What is the next statement? All cups are books and all books are shirts. What is that? All cups are books. These cups and books. And all books are shirts. Okay. All cups are books. All books are shirts. Come to the conclusion. Some cups are not shirts. Some cups are not shirts. Yes. How it is? All cups are, they have given some cups are not shirts, because all cups are shirts, but some cups are not shirts they have given. Yes, not shirts, some cups. All cups are shirts, but some cups are not shirts, right? And second one, some shirts are cups. Some shirts are cup. Again, it is also no. What is your right answer? Here, only second statement can conclude the right answer to that. This. Okay. Next one. What is the right next question? All the windows are doors. No door is a wall. Yes, saying, as you can see, window. This one is a window and this one is a door. And see, all windows are doors. All windows are doors, and no door is a wall. Here, door part is there in this one, but then wall is this one. There is no link between wall and door. Conclusion. Let's see the conclusion. What is the conclusion? Some windows are wall. Some windows are wall. No. Window is there here, wall is there here. There is no link between both the statements or diagram. No wall is a door. No wall is door. Yes. Directly they have given no door, no wall is a door. Second statement is right. No wall is a door. No wall is door. Sorry. No wall is door. Wall is there here and door is there here. No wall is door. Yes. Here what? Only second statement, no wall is door. First one is a wrong, that is all the windows are doors, it means it is wrong. But second one, no door is a wall. No door is wall. Yes, in the statement only they have given no door is wall. So second statement is right. Only second or only statement 2 can allows gives the right answer to the given question. Okay, this see on the diagram. Next. First, all actors are girls. This is the actor part, and this is a girl part. They are given all actors are girls, and all the girls are beautiful. Just you can go to the conclusion. All the actors are beautiful. All the actors are beautiful. First one is right. Some girls are actors. Some girls are actors. Yes. Second one is some girls. This is, we are coming in the reverse direction. Some girls are actors. Actor is there here. Second one is right. First one is all actors are beautiful. All actors is there inside the beautiful. Now we are going in this direction. All. Okay. Both 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer the given question. See. Both 1 and 2 follows to give the right answer to the given statement. Okay. Okay. Statement. Some other statements is also there. We solve 2 more problem statement in this one. Next we can go to the next one. Here, some papers are pencils. Here, PPR. Some papers are pencil and then pen. Okay. And second, all the pencils are pens. All the pencils are pens. This one. All the paper, this is a paper. Then this is a pen, this is a pencils. Okay, what the conclusion here? Some pens are pencils. Some pens are pencils. Some pen, this is the pen part, this is the pencil part. Some pens are pencils. First statement is wrong because all pens are papers. So all pens are pencils. Second one, some pens are paper. Second one, what is that? Second statement. Some pens are papers. Some pens are papers. Second one is also right one. Second one is the right answer. It is your right answer here, both 1 and 2, because 1 and 2 it means here based on this one also we have to answer, and then this based on the second one also we have to answer. Okay. Okay, these are next. We can go to the 3 problem statement, 3 statements and 3 conclusions. Here also they have given. Solve that questions in home. See in this one we can try it. See here the statement they have given. All the harmoniums are instruments. Second, all the instruments are flutes. First, harmonium. All the harmoniums are instruments. Okay, all instruments are fluids. They have given F. Statement number 1, statement number 2. All the fluids are instruments. Fluid is there here. All the fluids are instruments. Wrong, because we are coming in the reverse direction. All the fluids are instruments here. All the fluids are instruments. First one is wrong. And second one they have given all the harmoniums are fluids. All the harmoniums are fluids. Yes. Second one is absolutely right. All the harmonium is there inside the fluids. Okay, now we are going second in the second statement in this direction. All the harmoniums are fluids. First one is the wrong, second one is the right answer. Here only second conclusion. This second conclusion is sufficient to answer the given question. Okay. Here also you can see in this one also. See one more diagram. You have to some actors are singers and all the singers are dancers. Some actors are singers. Actors and some actors are singers and all the singers are dancers. Here you have to go all the singers. Okay. Statement 1, statement 2. Here, okay, conclusion. Some actors are singers. Some actors are singers. All the singers are dancers. Here, this is a dance. You have to take. Some actors are singers. This is singer. And second, all singers are dancers. It's the dancer. Okay, statement 1. Okay, first statement, some actors are dancers. Some actors are dancers, no. And no singer is actor. No singer is actor. No. No singer they have given. No. Some singers are there. Given in this one, even see how it is possible in this one also we have to make it a true also, right also. Because first statement, some actors are dancers. Some actors, this is actor part, singer part, dancer part. Some actors are dancers. Actually dancer is inside, sorry, singer is there inside the dancer, but dancer part we may also connect in this part also. Okay, so even based on the first one also it can give the right answer to the this question. Okay, see this is a here some singers, all singers are dancers and some actors are dancers they have given. See, just now I said 3 statements and 3 conclusions. Here 3 statements, some cameras are laptop, some laptops are phones, some phones are laptops. Conclusion, at least some tablets are cameras. There is a possibility that all tablets are laptops, none of the tablets are laptop. Okay, can you calculate, can you draw the diagram for this one and answer the, put your answer in the chat box, I will check it. I will wait for 1 minute. Can you? Nobody is putting the answer. See, first statement, some cameras are laptop. Camera part. See, some camera are laptop. Some cameras are laptop and some laptops are phones. And some phones are tablets. Okay, some cameras are laptop some laptops are phones, some phones are tablet. We have drawn the diagram. Now conclusion. How is it possible to answer? Can you find out the first conclusion they have given? At least some tablets are cameras. There is a possibility that all tablets, none of the tablets are cameras. Can you find out what is the answer for that? So at least some tablets are camera. Camera is here, and then tablet. Sorry, at least some tablets are camera. Tablet is there here. Camera is here. Here actually the tablet is connected here. In the possibility diagram, we may connect this tablet to camera also. This side. So first statement is not possible. Okay, and then a second one they have given. There is a possibility that all the tablets are laptop. All the tablets. Tablet is there here, laptop is here. We may connect this the laptop part in this one. Okay. The second one is also not possible. Third one they have given. None of the tablets are laptop. Yes, none of the tablets. Tablets are laptop. This one. Laptop part is there here. Tablet part is there here. So none of the tablets are laptop. So the third one, they have given the right answer. Third alone is sufficient to answer the given question. Okay. Here three statements. Then based on three statements, you have to draw the Venn diagram, and you have to answer separately for all three statements answers. Their conclusion, first conclusion, second conclusion, third conclusion, and then which one is the right that you have to identify. Okay. Here your final answer is either one or two, or third, only third one is right to answer the given question. So this one, cameras, laptop, phones, and tablet. In possibility diagram, we have to draw like this also. Okay, some cameras are tablets, some tablets are, all tablets are laptops. It is there inside the laptop. It means all tablets are laptops. But in this case, conclusion 3 does not follow, either one or two. It can follow the answer to give the right answer. Okay, even directions they have given in this one also. In each of the questions like this, you may get the questions in the final exam. The sample question paper I have taken, just each of the questions below are given three statements followed by conclusions 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to take the given statement to be true even if they seem to be from commonly known facts. Read the conclusions and then decide which of the given conclusion logically follows from the given statements regarding commonly known facts. And then conclusion they have given. Okay, first. Okay, last statement we will discuss. After that we can. Okay, first one, first point. Some cats are rats. Here, cat, rat. Some rats are bats. Some rats are bat. And bats are, all bats are tables. Here, all bats are table. Conclusion 1 they have given. Conclusion 2. Conclusion 3. First one, some cats are bats. Some cats are bats. No. Some cats are bats. No. And all bats are rats. All bats are rats. No. This one is also no. And then what is all bats? All cats. All tables are cats. So directly if you are solving like this, it means you may not get the right answer. So here you know that these are the statements based on the given statements. You have drawn all cats are rats. Sorry, some cats are rats, or some rats are bats, and some all bats are tables. It's a Venn diagram. You have drawn this one statements, and then three conclusions 1, 2, 3. Then directly how to find out that some cats are at, it means it's not possible wrong. Second, cats, it is also not possible wrong. And third, all tables are cats. All tables, table is not there inside the cat. So third one is also wrong. For answering this question, only 1 and 2 follows no, only 2 follows no, and only 1 and 4 follows no. None of the above is the right answer for the above question. See this one. Okay, so last question we will discuss. Okay, all carrots are birds. See, all carrots are birds. Some telephones are carrots. Some telephones carrots. Some telephones are carrots. All bed sheets are telephones. All telephones are bed sheets. Bed. Statement number 1. Statement number 2. Statement number 3. Now, all bed sheets are birds. All bed sheets, no. Second, some bed sheets are birds. Some bed sheets are birds. You may come as, sorry. And then all bed sheets are telephones. All bed sheets are telephones. Third bed sheets it will comes is right, and comes no. And then here the conclusion, 1 is alone no, 2 is alone no, 1 and 3 is also not possible. Only third it can follow the right answer, because the third, all telephones are birds, because telephones is there inside the birds part. Because if you are considering possibility diagram, in this one more possibility diagram also will comes. If you are drawing the possibility diagram, it will comes, see in this possibility diagram. The fourth conclusion is there, all telephones are birds. All the telephones are birds, it means the bed sheet will comes inside the telephone. So in the possibility diagram, it will consider all the bed sheet will comes in a telephone. The right answer is only third can follow the, you can give the right answer to the given question. Okay, here I will stop. If anybody have the doubt, you kindly can unmute yourself and then ask the question. If anybody have the doubt, you can ask the question. We'll discuss about that. And then if you don't have doubt, and then all the best